Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a southern comfort food called Hush Puppies. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, these little guys make a delicious side dish to pair with fish, seafood, or barbecue foods. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add yellow cornmeal, then all-purpose flour, followed by baking powder, ground sea salt, and baking soda. Now, this is the base, the foundation of Hush Puppies. And then from here, this is when we get creative. So, we'll add granulated sugar, some smoked paprika, and then cayenne pepper. Why not? We'll give another quick whisk to blend before adding more ingredients, which are yellow onions and red peppers, both finely chopped. Then a large beaten egg, and last but not least, some buttermilk. We'll stir. Yeah, I know, I'm using the wrong tool. All right, let me switch. There you go. So now, we'll stir until everything is well incorporated and moistened. We'll let it rest for 15 minutes, and during that time, in a deep skillet, we'll heat up our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, using a 1.5-inch portion scoop, we'll drop the batter in the hot oil without crowding the pan. I normally put in 5 to 6 at a time. We'll fry these little guys until golden brown, flipping them once. It goes super fast, less than 2 minutes to fry. As soon as they're done, using a spider strainer, we'll transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. We'll set them aside while we fry the remaining ones. And my friends, these are our Hush Puppies. Incredibly quick and easy to make, these tasty cornmeal fritters make a fantastic side dish. But they're also great as a snack or appetizer, along with a dipping sauce. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!